Hi! In front of me is Microsoft Surface Duo, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. Firstly, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type Files. Now download this free app by Google and open it. Then select Continue, choose Allow, and tap on Clean at the bottom left corner. Then wait a bit and click on Clean under Junk Files. Now just Clean in this pop-up over here and wait. As you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!